Hello there, this is Jay from JCAD. I make AutoCAD tutorials for students and professionals in the fields of architecture and interior design. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to get our weekly tutorials on AutoCAD and other design software. In this video, I will talk to you about the Defpoints layer that you probably see when you're working in your projects. And I already opened an empty drawing here, and I'm gonna look at the layer list here. And you will see I only have 0 by default, and if I open the layer manager, layer properties manager, of course, only 0 is available. So the Defpoints layer gets created essentially when you add dimensions, so the dimension elements. So I'm gonna go here to the annotate tab or the annotate ribbon, and then I'm just gonna start the linear command from here. Then I'm just gonna click anywhere from here to here. And then when we go back to the home ribbon over here, and then we look at the layer list, you will notice that now we have the 0 layer and a new layer got created, and it's called Defpoints, or definition points. Actually, that's what it stands for. And basically I want to show you something on the layer properties manager. You might have noticed before, but in case you didn't, the Defpoints layer does not print, and it's always set to this setting. It's grayed out. You can't change this setting for it. So just be mindful that if you are drawing any geometry on the Defpoints layer, it will not print later on. You will still see it in AutoCAD, and you still won't be able to see it when you print out to a PDF document, for example. So let's switch our layer here. I'll just highlight this real quick, and I'm just gonna do a rectangle here, and this rectangle is on the Defpoints layer. We can see here when we select it, it shows us which layer it's on. So right now it's on Defpoints layer. I'm gonna go to layout, and then I'm gonna activate this viewport and zoom out a little bit. The grid is abstracting here, so I'm just gonna turn it off for the background. And then here I'm gonna go to the printing menu, and then I will do, let's see here, let's just choose a DWG to PDF, and I'm gonna do a preview. And you will see here we only see the dimension element because it was created on the 0 layer, while the rectangle, which is sitting on the Defpoints layer, it's not visible, and you can't change that. So just be mindful that when you're using Defpoints, that the objects or geometries will not be printed. And again, the Defpoints layer gets loaded inside your project once you insert a dimension. All right. And that was it regarding the Defpoints layer in AutoCAD.